Listen and practice.
I was wandering through my neighborhood one sunny afternoon when I noticed an elderly woman struggling to carry her groceries. Her face was weary, and her steps were slow. I couldn't ignore the sight, and my heart urged me to help. "Excuse me, ma'am," I said gently, offering a warm smile. "May I help you with those bags?" Her eyes lit up with surprise and gratitude as she handed me one of the heavy grocery bags. We chatted as we walked together towards her home. She shared stories from her past, and I listened attentively, realizing how much a simple act of kindness meant to her. From that day on, I felt a calling to help others in need. I knew I couldn't do it alone, so I enlisted my best friends, Sarah and Jack, to join me. Together, we formed the Compassion Crew. Our first mission was to lend a hand at the local animal shelter. We spent hours feeding and playing with the abandoned animals, hoping to bring joy to their lives. Witnessing their wagging tails and grateful purrs was all the reward we needed. Inspired by the experience, we decided to organize a charity bake sale to raise funds for a nearby orphanage. We baked cookies, cupcakes, and pies with love and dedication. The bake sale was a huge success, and the smiles on the kids' faces when we delivered the donations made our hearts soar. But our acts of kindness didn't stop there. We helped clean up a nearby park, volunteered at a soup kitchen, and even started a recycling program at our school. With every act of kindness, our friendship grew stronger, and our impact on the community deepened. We encouraged others to join us on our mission, and soon, kids from all around town were lending a hand to those in need. Though we were just kids, we learned that our compassion had the power to make a difference. As we continued our journey of helping others, we discovered that kindness is contagious. It spreads from one heart to another, leaving a trail of hope and positivity in its wake.
English speaking practice.
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Ryan. So, how do you like our school so far?
It's pretty cool. I'm still getting used to everything, but the teachers seem nice.
Yeah, they are. Which class are you in?
I'm in Mrs. Johnson's class. What about you, Alex?
Oh, I'm in Mr. Smith's class. So, Ryan, do you have any favorite subjects?
I really like math. It's fun solving problems and learning new things. How about you?
I love science. It's fascinating to understand how things work in the world. But I also enjoy reading during language arts.
That's awesome. Maybe you can help me with science sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to. By the way, what do you like to do during recess?
I enjoy playing basketball with my friends. It's a lot of fun. What about you?
I like playing soccer with my friends. We have some friendly matches. Maybe we can play together sometime.
That sounds cool. Oh, and do you have any hobbies outside of school?
Yes, I love reading books. It's like going on adventures without leaving my room. And I also play the piano.
That's impressive. I like drawing in my free time and playing video games too.
Drawing is awesome. We should show each other our drawings sometime.
Definitely. So, do you have any pets, Alex?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. She's really cute and loves to cuddle. How about you?
I have a dog named Max. He's a bundle of energy and always keeps me company.
Pets are the best, right? Ryan, do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a younger brother named Ethan. He's in first grade. What about you?
I have an older sister named Emma. She's in 7th grade. We get along most of the time.
Haha, siblings can be a handful. But they're family. It's been nice talking to you, Alex.
You too, Ryan. I think we're going to be great friends. Let's hang out more during lunch and recess.
Sounds like a plan, Alex. Looking forward to it.
Daily routine vocabulary.
Homework. The classroom. A pencil. A notebook. The teacher. A math test. A groupie project. Lunchtime. Recess. The library. The principal.
The BL.